Hello, welcome to another unboxing video. In this video, I will be unpacking and unboxing a number of packages that have parts for my mobile manipulator robot named JOHNN-E-B. So let's start with this one. I don't recall exactly which package has the exact component, so let's open it up and see what's inside, see the contents. Okay, all right, so this is infrared transmitter and receiver components. This can be used, they're similar to the structure of an LED. They have long and short leads. One is transparent, one is dark. The dark one is the transmitter. The clear one or transparent one is the receiver. And you can actually, if some of you don't know this, that you can actually take a transmitter, which is this one, and a receiver, and tape them together, put electrical tape around it, the black electrical tape, and you can have an optocoupler. So you can, when one side has current, the transmitter has current, it can actually permit current to flow in the receiver end as an optocoupler. But I'm planning on using this as object detection. So if an object is between, for instance, the path from or the reflection of a surface, the receiver will be able to distinguish whether there's an object. So this receiver is a photo transistor. Even though this is infrared, it's also considered a photo transistor. And I should have about 10 of each in here, which I will not count. So that's this, and then this is the optocouplers. The actual optocouplers, so they're intended for the same exact use, where one side is the transmitter and one side is the receiver, similar to the infrared transmitter receivers, but this is just on one chip. So you don't have to put tape around it, and you can isolate your circuits that way. And I should have maybe 20 pieces in this one. Yes, 20 pieces. Now let's see what's inside of this one. All right. That. I think I know this one. This one should be the micro USB to USB cable. I should have 2 in here. This is for my Raspberry Pi. I need to connect my, oh, there are 3. I don't recall there being 3. Maybe there's an extra one. But now I can connect my RP LiDAR to the micro USB, and then the USB goes to the Raspberry Pi. So now I have 2 extra, which will come in handy. I like to make videos of my components that I acquire and purchase and parts because this is like a log of the build of JOHNN-E-B. It's like a journal in a sense, and I like to keep a record of all the parts that I acquire. So now let's take a look at this one. Okay. Let's see on the inside. Oh, okay. So these are switches. They're single pole, double, no, single pole. So it's single pole, double throw, I believe. Yeah. If I'm not mistaken. I could let me see if it says it here. Slide switches. Okay, and this, I believe it's tape shut, and I don't want to try to open it at this moment. But there's slide switches that I believe I can mount on the breadboard when I build my circuits, and when I need to control the Bluetooth module, which I need to manually disconnect if I did incorporate or interface that into JOHNN-E-B over there. If I interface the Bluetooth module, I would have to manually disconnect the wires, and I don't want to do that that way. So I purchased these switches so I can just close the switches whenever I need to upload a sketch without disconnecting the Bluetooth devices. And now this is backup wheel kit and DC motor kit with encoders for JOHNN-E-B, the same exact ones that are used on JOHNN-E-B over there. I have a backup just in case, because this is very important to me. I actually bought this from the DF Robot. They're actually cheaper than any other website. The other websites may seem cheaper until you have to pay for shipping, and then you would see that the price is much more. And it actually came in about 5 days, 4 or 5 days, which is incredible for coming from China. So let's open it up and see the contents. So I want to make sure I have constant supply coming of parts, because I don't want to be stalled on the continuing building JOHNN-E-B. I don't want to be having to wait for parts to arrive that will stop me from working on JOHNN-E-B. So I look ahead to possibilities, like maybe I would need a backup DC motor or parts or encoders. I don't know yet. So I went ahead and purchased it just in case. Okay. See the inside. I have to cut it. Alright, and it's the same setup as my previous delivery. Here are the two wheels. I noticed that the wheels do wear away on concrete, so I try to avoid using that. I try to use the robot on the floor, the terrazzo floor, or indoors, so they don't wear away. Here are the parts to connect the wheels to the shafts of the motors. Okay, and here are the motors. I'm very pleased with the functionality of the motors. That's why I bought another set. There are lots of options that seem to be cheaper also online, but this has the high torque and the encoders, and they work. So these are the wires for the encoders and the adapter for the encoders, and I'm very happy with this. I'm so happy that these drive my mobile manipulator robot JOHNN-E-B. They function so well that I had to purchase more, and they're strong enough. And here's the other one. So All right, same thing. So thank you for watching.